My mom has been trying to eat healthier, so this Valentine's Day, I thought I'd do something sweet for her. So I went to Fry's today and I got all these delicious fruits. I got dragon fruit, watermelon, and I just started slicing them up to make it look aesthetically pleasing. Then I got these spatulas from the dollar store and they were perfect for chocolate. So I was using that, and I got the Ghirardelli white chocolate. And right here, I'm just slicing some berries. If you're a baker, I 1000% recommend you get one of these silicone mats. They're not only perfect for macarons, they're also perfect for setting your strawberries or your chocolate treats on top of them. Instead of using parchment paper, you just set it on the silicone mat and it's less wasteful. So right here, I'm just gonna be dipping some cherries. I wanna have fresh ones and chocolate ones. I also did some strawberries, and oh my goodness, you guys, I got this nut bag, the nut topping, and I don't know what kind of nuts they are, but it's really, really good. And right here, I wanted to also add some chocolate blueberries. I love dipping blueberries because I feel like it gives it like an evil eye. I don't know, I thought it was really funny. My mom thought the same thing. But anyways, I added the toothpick on the blueberry, added it on the chocolate, and then just set it on my silicone mat. I also made some chocolate strawberries using Sweet Tooth Fairy chocolate, and I added the nut topping, and it's so, so good. Right here, you guys can see how nothing sticks to it. Oh my goodness, this is like a game changer. I really, really suggest you guys get one because it comes in a set of 4, and it really comes in handy when you're dipping berries. Right here, I'm just adding a small almond on my strawberry, trying to make it look cute. Then I drizzled some chocolate on the berries, and it wasn't perfect. I was in such a hurry, but everything turned out so cute. Then I just added a little bit of gold paint on the almond, make it look super cute. And then I started setting everything together. I had this big box. I got it on Amazon. I added parchment paper and I started adding my semi-dry fruit. Right here, I'm adding the watermelon, all the bigger fruits, and then I'm gonna start adding the chocolate strawberries. I thought it was such a thoughtful gift for Valentine's Day because she's really trying to eat healthier. So I know that sometimes on these special days, you know, people just buy a lot of chocolate and stuff. I wanted to make her feel special and know that I was thinking about her. So anyways, I'm right here. I'm just decorating everything, adding the sliced berries, the blueberries that look like the evil eye. Is that what it's called? And then the chocolate cherries. Those are seriously my favorite. And she absolutely loved everything, guys. I was so happy when she saw it. She was leaving and I just got there with some roses and her fruit platter and a beautiful balloon, and she was just so happy today. Then I painted the top of the raspberries with some gold, and I added glitter to the sliced strawberries to elevate the look and make it look more aesthetically pleasing. And this is how it turned out, you guys. What do you think? She went crazy. She absolutely loved it. And then I added a bow to this box. I will be uploading a tutorial because some people were asking how to do it. So I will be making a slower tutorial for you guys. But that was all. I hope you guys enjoyed this semi-long video.